Okay, everybody, thank you for coming on time to our class. It's time to start. Good evening. How are you today?
Good evening, teacher. How are you?
Well, I'm great today. Thank you for asking, Luis. What about you?
Okay, everything okay, teacher. Yeah,
Okay,
during the day.
okay, that's nice. What about you, Melissa? How are you today?
I'm good.
Good? That's pretty good. Okay, thank you for coming. David, Larissa, Mitzi, how are you today?
Hi, teacher. A little bit tired.
Oh, tired. Well, I'm sorry. I hope you can
Oh,
rest after the class.
okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hi, everybody. I am fine.
Fine. Okay, that's good, David. Thank you. Let's see, Jose Alfredo, welcome. Hello. How are you today?
Hi, teacher. In my case, I was a good day.
It was a good day. Okay, pretty good. Thank you for sharing. Well, everybody, thank you for coming on time to our class. Well, I told you this at the beginning of the class, and well, I'm happy that we are over here together. Everybody, in this opportunity, remember that this is our speaking practice class. It means, everybody, that we will make a short review of some topics we have learned during this week. In this case, everybody, Tuesday and Wednesday's class. And then, everybody, we will have a short speaking practice, okay? We will start, let me share my screen, and we will start, everybody, making a review or a short practice about yesterday's topic. Do you remember yesterday's class, everybody? What was yesterday's class about?
Aladdin Tale.
What was yesterday's topic?
Do you remember the Aladdin Tale yesterday? Is about the wishes.
Very good. Yesterday's class was about wishes, okay? So right now, everybody, do you want a situation to be different? Think about 3 wishes and share them with your partner, or in this case, with your classmate, because we will share them with the whole class. Okay? Remember yesterday we mentioned that in some cases we don't have, well, in this case, in real life, we don't have the opportunity to have our own genie. But right now, let's practice yesterday's structure. Remember that when we practice the use of wish or I wish, we have to use I wish as in simple present, and the next sentence should be in simple past. For example, everybody, one of my wishes is, I wish I could travel around the world. And also my second wish, I wish um, I learned to speak Portuguese. And finally, I wish I won the lottery. Okay, those are my wishes. Now, please think about yours. And I want to hear some of your opinions, okay, some of your wishes. Let's see. Welcome, Armando. Welcome, Dimas. Welcome, Evelyn. Welcome to the class. Think about 3 of your wishes, and we will start practicing in a moment. Okay. In this opportunity, guys, we will start Okay, we will start right now practicing this activity. Tell me, please, 3 of your wishes. We will start practicing with Luis Molina. Okay, Luis, hello. Tell me, what are your 3 wishes?
Okay, okay. I wish won the lottery, $5 million. I wish bought a new house, uh, a, a big house, right? With a forest, because I won the lottery.
Yeah,
And I wish travel around the world and visit European countries.
okay, very good. Tell me, which country do you want to visit?
Oh, I would like to visit England.
Oh, that's a great country.
England, New Zealand, and Sweden, Switzerland, right?
Switzerland?
Switzerland. Maybe
Okay, okay,
that country I would like to visit.
okay, those are great countries. Actually, they are, well, I could say that something interesting about these countries is that even though some of these countries have their own language, in the case of New Zealand, but they also speak English, okay?
Okay.
And also in Switzerland, they have their own language, I guess, and they also speak English. That's pretty good, Luis. I hope all those wishes come true, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Let's see right now, everybody, let's pay attention to Mitzi. Tell me, Miss Mitzi, what are your 3 wishes?
Okay, teacher. I wish go to a concert. And the second one, I wish have a big bakery. And I wish bought a new car.
Okay, you bought a new car, you had your own bakery, and you went
Yeah.
to a concert. Have you ever been in a concert?
No,
Never.
no, never.
Ooh, okay, which concert would you like to be in?
Maybe CNCO or another artist.
Okay, CNCO, that's a good one. Are they your favorite singers?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So I hope you make them they come true. Okay, your wishes come true. Thank you, Mitzi, for sharing with us. Those are great wishes.
Well,
Let's see, David Interiano, tell me, what are your wishes?
Hi. Okay. I wish I were be able the English language in 1 year. And I wish I had money for travel for the world. And I wish I had a big house for my family and me and have great days.
Okay, great wishes. Can you repeat the first one? I couldn't hear you very well.
Okay. I wish I were be able the English language in
Oh,
1 year.
oh, so you expect to be able to speak English in 1 year?
Yes.
Okay, that's an amazing wish. I hope it will come true. Okay, very good, David. Those are great wishes. I really like your wishes. Very good, David. Thank you. Let's continue with Larissa. Tell me, Larissa, what are your wishes?
And I wish learn more English. And the second, I wish travel to around the world. And I wish see aurora borealis.
Where can you see Aurora Borealis?
When?
Where? In what country?
In Islandia.
Oh, Iceland.
Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. It sounds good, okay? So I hope they will come true also, Larissa. They sound really interesting. Just remember to use verbs in past, right? I wish I saw, okay? Okay, Larissa? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. I wish I saw an aurora borealis. Very good. Let's continue with Evelyn de Sandoval. Evelyn, tell me, what are your wishes?
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
My wishes are, I wish I could travel to Korea. And the second one, I wish I could go to a Taylor Swift concert. And I wish I could speak English fluently this year.
Okay, pretty good. That's a pretty close wish you have, remember, because you said this year or at the end of this year. So it is another great wish you have. All of your wishes are amazing. I hope they will come true. Okay, Evelyn? Thank you for sharing. It was interesting. Also, I hope you could go to a Taylor Swift concert. It sounds interesting. Good. Tell me, Katia, what are your wishes? Welcome to the class, by the way.
Thank you. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes, I can
I'm
hear you.
sick. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I wish I could learn more languages because I really love that. Also, I wish I could have a refugee for dogs, and I wish I could support my family, all my family, not just my parents.
Okay. Well, those are amazing wishes. You're not thinking just in you, or as you mentioned in your parents, you're thinking about different people, helping different kind of people, and that's something really good.
Thank
Uh,
you.
well, I remember you said, oh, tell me, what other languages do you want to speak?
I would like to speak French, Italian, Portuguese, maybe Chinese, but I think it's the most difficult language. But I would like to try because I heard someone speaking Chinese with someone else, and it was amazing. And I was like, what are they doing? What are they saying? I would
Okay.
like to understand that, but yeah,
Yeah.
I think
If,
it's difficult.
yeah, even though it's difficult, well, you can see that other people can do it, so it means
Yeah,
that you are
so
also able to do it. Very good, Katia.
that's true.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Let's see, Jose Alfredo. Welcome. Tell me, what are your wishes? Okay, let's go to,
Okay,
oh,
teacher.
Jose is here. Hello.
Okay. In my case, I I wish I draw a plan. Second, I wish I spoke French language. And finally, I wish I had a big car.
A big car.
Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. Those are good wishes. I hope they will come true. Thank you for sharing, Jose. What about you, Dimas? What are your wishes? Hi, Dimas. Okay, good. Armando Orellana, hello. What are your wishes?
Hello, teacher. Good night.
Hello.
I wishes I arrive at my house and relax. and receive my class and relax in my house.
Oh, you are not at home right now, right?
Yes, in this moment I drive my car in the
Oh,
traffic.
I'm really sorry, Armando, but thank you for letting me know, okay? That you are
Yeah.
not at home, that you are driving. So just be careful, okay? And I hope you will be at home in a moment. Okay, thank you.
Mm.
Let me see. Our next person is Janet. Janet, tell me, what are your wishes?
Evening, teacher.
Good evening.
I wish a cross tour. I wish I speak English fluently.
Fluently?
Eso, fluently.
Eso, okay.
I wish travel around the world.
Okay, those are great wishes. And I hope also you can speak English fluently soon, okay? That's the goal of this level. I could say this and the next level, intermediate 2 and 3. I hope all of you will speak English fluently in this and the next level, okay? Then in advanced English, it will be easy for you, a piece of cake. Very good, Janet. Thank you for sharing. We will finish this activity, guys. I'm really happy that most of you practice, I guess. And all of you have great wishes. Even though, guys, I think some of our wishes sound or they look like kind of impossible, I just want to invite you to continue doing your best to reach or to achieve your goals, okay? Even though, as I said before, maybe some of them look that they are difficult or they are impossible, but if we put all our effort in something we really want, we will get it, okay? So try to do your best, everybody, and I wish we could practice a lot today, okay? Guys, we will continue right now making a review about evaluation. Oh, give me a second. Making a review about evaluation and comparison, okay? Remember that we learned some expressions to talk about evaluations when we evaluate, in this case, a house or a space or a place. And also we learned some expressions to make comparisons. Instead of using, for example, instead of using the comparatives, we can use these expressions, okay? To start, everybody, remember that we have the evaluation expressions. In this case, we have not enough, too, or too much and too many. Remember that these structures are basically, or they have a specific word or specific words. For example, everybody, if we use not enough, you can see that we use it with adjectives or with nouns. The order, it's different, but we can use them with both. For example, guys, I can say I don't know, we will talk about a car. The car doesn't, give me a second, the car isn't big enough for my family, okay? Maybe if your family is big, maybe 5 or 6 people, you know that a small car or not all kind of cars can be the correct one or convenient for you. You need maybe a van or a biggest a car that is bigger, okay? Then everybody, we have the use of to. Remember, when we use to, we are expressing a negative idea. The same example, guys, the car is too small, okay? The car is too small. As you see, it refers to a negative idea, okay? We need a big car, and this car is not that big. It means that the car is too small for our family, or the car isn't big enough for our family. Then everybody, when we use evaluation expressions, we also have not enough for noun. In that case, everybody, when we use it for nouns, remember that we need to use not enough, and then we use a noun. For example, guys, the car doesn't have enough space. As you can see, guys, if we are using a verb in present, we need to use not verb enough. And finally, we use a noun. In case we use the verb to be, remember that we use a verb to be, not enough, and then we use the noun. And in too much and too many, remember that it depends on the noun if it is countable or uncountable. Same example, guys. I could say the car doesn't have too much space. Okay. Again, everybody, we are talking about a car, and as you can see, we use too much, again, to refer to a negative idea. And then, everybody, we have the use of as, or just as. Remember that these expressions help us to make comparisons, okay? Some of the examples that we use is the city and the countryside. And remember, if we use these expressions in this way, in affirmative, they mean that the two things that we compare are equal, okay? They have the equal capacity, the equal characteristics. But if we use them in negative, it means that they are different. For example, everybody, I would say that this city isn't as clean as the countryside, because as you know, everybody, the countryside is supposed to be cleaner than the city. And the same when we use as much as or as many as, it depends, everybody, if we use countable or uncountable noun. Okay, this is a short review, everybody, or a short explanation about that topic. Right now, let's check, everybody, some practices. We will try to use, everybody, the adjectives, or we will try to make comparison and evaluation using adjectives. Just let me check the activity. Give me a second, everybody. Okay, let's share, everybody, the next activity. We have some cards to practice. In these cards, everybody, you will see a situation, okay? For example, we have this sentence. I don't like my neighborhood. I don't feel safe. And into a parenthesis, we have too and dangerous. What could be the correct sentence for it? Let's see, what could be the correct sentence? Making, in this case, evaluation. I am evaluating my neighborhood. So what could be the sentence? What could be the right sentence? Let's see.
I don't
Oh, yes, Janet?
see. I don't do.
No, in this case, two, it's only possible in affirmative. Remember, the context of
Okay.
the sentence is, I don't like my neighborhood. I don't feel safe. Now create a new sentence, okay? What could be the next sentence about my neighborhood? What do you think? Let's see, Evelyn, tell me, what is your idea?
My neighborhood is too dangerous. I don't feel safe.
Oh, very good. My neighborhood is too dangerous. Okay, remember the first sentences that we have are the context. I don't like my neighborhood. I don't feel safe. It's too dangerous, or my neighborhood is too dangerous. Well done. Okay, thank you, Evelyn. That was a great example. Okay, remember, guys, the sentences that you can see on the screen are our context. Then everybody, the next sentences or the next sentence will be the use of evaluation expressions or comparison. Let's continue, guys. The second situation. There isn't or there is not space in my office. And we have to use enough and spacious, okay? Think about an example. And if you have an idea or if you have a sentence, raise your virtual hand or activate your microphone.
Me teacher.
Okay, very good, Jose. Jose Alfredo, tell me.
For example, my office isn't enough space.
Okay, repeat again your sentence, please.
Okay, my office it isn't
Office isn't,
enough espacio.
Okay, my office isn't enough spacious. Okay, that's a great effort, Alfredo, but something is not correct in that structure. Tell me, guys, what is incorrect?
Office doesn't have enough spaces.
No, doesn't have, no, because this is an adjective, spacious. Mitzi, tell me.
My office is not spacious enough.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Mitzi. Now, Alfredo, remember this part, okay? When we use adjectives, we use not, adjective in the middle, enough, okay? Repeat again the sentence, Jose.
My office it isn't spacious enough.
Very good. My office isn't spacious enough.
Spacious enough.
Very good. We don't use it isn't because my office is it, okay? They are the same. It and my office are the same, okay? Well done. Let's move on, everybody, to our next example. Thank you, Jose, and thank you, Mitzi, for your help.
You're welcome.
This suit is size L. I wear size M. Okay, into parentheses, we have to and large. Who can help me with the sentence? Let's see. Volunteers.
Teacher.
Excellent, Luis.
I try maybe. This suit is size to large L. I wear size M.
What is the new sentence? Remember that this suit is size L, I wear size M is the context.
Okay.
So tell me a new sentence.
Okay. For me, I wear size L, but maybe the suit is too large L.
The suit is too large. Okay.
Too large L.
Stop there, okay? The suit is too large, and that's it, okay, Luis?
No, M. I wear size M.
Oh, but according to the, yeah, let me see. I wear size M, uh-huh.
L. I don't know, the suit is too large L.
Oh, that's it, okay? The suit is too large. Remember? Let me write the paragraph, okay? This suit is size L, comma, I wear size M. After these two sentences, we need to write okay, this is the context. These two sentences is the context. Then we have to write a new sentence. Give me a second, everybody. Okay, then we have to write, everybody, a new sentence. The new sentence that we have, everybody, is the suit is too large. So which is the new sentence, Luis?
For me, it's I wear size M. And the suit M is too large. L
Okay.
is too large.
Okay, it's also possible, right? But in this case, we just need to add this idea. Okay, solo vamos a agregar esta idea. The suit is too large. And that's it. Right.
Really?
Yes, yeah, because of the context. Remember that the context is this suit is size L. I wear size M. The suit is too large, okay? Or this suit is too large. If we say this suit is too large, or this suit size L is too large, we are kind of redundant, okay? So we repeat an idea twice, in this case twice. So instead of repeating the same idea, we can use, or we can mention just a new sentence, okay? Let's check, thank you, Luis. Let's check our next example. Our new house is too dark. The old house was bright, okay? What is the comparison in these two, between the new house and the old house? What is the comparison? Any volunteer? Oh, Abel is ready. Okay, tell me, Abel, what's your idea?
Okay, let's say our new house isn't as bright as the old house. I think.
Okay, our new house isn't
as bright as our old house.
Old house or our old one. Okay, let me see, our old house. Okay, Abel, let me tell you that this sentence is correct, okay? So you created a great sentence, class, for you, okay? That was a nice comparison. As you see, we use the structure not as, adjective, as, okay? If we have that part of the sentence, guys, it's correct. So thank you, Abel, for your participation. It was a great sentence. Let's move, everybody. Next sentence. Our new kitchen is too small. Our old kitchen was bigger. What could be the sentence? This is the same structure. So what could be the right sentence? Let's see, volunteer. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's see. Who's ready? Oh, Jose Alfredo. Tell me, Jose, what could be the right sentence?
Okay, our new kitchen uh um it isn't
Our
as
new computer isn't as
um bigger
okay.
as our whole kitchen.
Our old kitchen. Okay, Jose, that was a nice effort. Just let's correct a little bit the adjective. Instead of bigger, we will use big, okay? If we use
Okay.
bigger, so we are already using comparatives. But if we use as, or not as, that is the comparative expression, okay? So what is the correct sentence, Alfredo?
Our new kitchen it isn't as big as our old kitchen.
Amazing, okay? Claps for you, Jose. That was
Thanks.
great. Okay, thank you guys for your participation. Let's move to our last situation, okay? Remember, I will give you the context in the card, then you create a new sentence. Let's move. Okay, there
Teacher,
is,
teacher, one
yes?
question.
Oh, tell me, Armando.
I don't listen because I drive. In these sentences, the context is correct in the example.
Yes, that's right. The context in the cards is correct. What we need to do is to add a new sentence, okay?
It's only create a new sentence.
Yes, that's right.
Using as and all in all.
Oh, yes, that's right. For example,
Okay.
over here we have this situation. There is no privacy in my new house. And I need to use the expression not enough. What could be the right sentence?
What is the meaning the note?
Enough is, in this case, since it is negative, not enough, it means not sufficient, okay? Not sufficient.
There is no privacy in the house. In this case, my new house, no sorry.
My new house.
My new house is is in the end, sorry. The use is in the end.
Oh,
in the end, the
what,
question in the sentences.
what do you mean?
My new house isn't and no privacy.
Enough privacy. Okay, let me see. My new house isn't enough privacy. Okay, the idea is great, but we need to change this part. Instead of, well, all this part, instead of isn't, we need to use a different structure. Something is missing. My new house.
Doesn't have.
Oh, thank you, Abel. Let me see. We will write it. My new house doesn't have. Okay, Armando, can you read the sentence, please?
My new house doesn't have no privacy.
Okay, does it sound better? Better? Good? Correct or not? What do you think, Armando?
More or less, teacher. I don't understand the use doesn't have.
doesn't have. So for example, if you have something, for example, I have a cell phone right now. I don't have a cell phone. So if we use it with objects, it's easy. But in this case, we are talking about privacy.
Yes,
So, okay, so as you see, my new house doesn't have enough privacy. We are not using the verb to be because right now we are not using adjectives, okay? We are not using adjectives and we are not using there is or there are, okay?
Okay.
That's why it's better to use doesn't or in this case have, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Very good. Okay,
Thank you.
guys, thank you for your practice. We will continue right now with a little bit short, an activity that it will be kind of short, I hope. Okay, because we have around 15 minutes. Okay, let me show you our next activity. Okay, let me share my screen with you, everybody. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys, because of the rain, the internet is not running as it should, okay? In this opportunity, guys, let me share with you the next activity. Which one do you prefer? As you can see, we have two cars. We have, give me a second. Okay, we have a white car. It looks, well, we can see the description of this car. Well, the white car is spacious, modern. It has, give me a second, guys. It has 4 doors. It is expensive, it's fast, and also it's comfortable. Okay, this is the description of the white car. Then, guys, we have a red car, and this car is small, it's old, it has 2 doors, it's cheap, of course, it's slow, and, well, it's uncomfortable. Right now, guys, you have to tell me which one you prefer, but we need to use the expressions to make evaluation or comparison. For example, guys,
Okay.
I don't know anything about cars, everybody, I'm really sorry, but I prefer the white car because I consider that the red car is not fast enough. Also, it's too old. That car, the red car, is too old. It doesn't have enough space and it doesn't have enough doors because I need more doors to open and get out of the car easily. Okay, so this is my comparison, guys, and my evaluation between the white car and the red car. Now, guys, take 2 minutes to practice on your own. Practice on your own with microphones off. Practice which car do you prefer. If you prefer the red car, tell me why do you prefer the red car? And if you prefer the white one, tell me why you prefer the white car, okay? You have 2 minutes, everybody, to practice on your own, and then I will listen to some of you, okay? Any questions, everybody? Preguntas, questions, yes, no?
Teacher, I have a question.
Tell me, Katia, what is your question?
Maybe you explained it at the beginning of the class, but I'm not sure. Because you said an example and you said the car doesn't have enough space, for example. But with this structure, you use not, you mention, and then you said enough at the end.
Okay, yes.
I don't understand that.
Oh, don't worry. I will explain it again. When we use adjectives, we use enough at the end. For example, it isn't spacious enough. Okay? Ooh, enough, like that. Okay? In this case, we have an adjective. Remember that adjectives are all the words that describe. Okay? In this case, we have spacious. But if we use a noun, we use the noun at the end of the sentence. For example, it doesn't have enough space, like that. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
I got
great.
it. Thank you.
Excellent. Okay, guys, you have 2 minutes right now. And then everybody, well, I listened to some of your classmates, okay? Some of you. Go ahead. Okay, guys, I guess some of you are ready. So we will try to practice in this final minutes that we have. Okay, to start, let me see. Katia, tell me a number from 1 to 12.
6.
6?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, my number 6 is Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Evelyn, tell me, which car do you prefer?
I prefer a modern and spacious car because it's more comfortable and isn't as slow as an older car.
Okay, Evelyn, that was a great description about these cars. So you prefer the white car because obviously it's spacious and modern. The other car is not comfortable at all. And well, also a great sentence you mentioned using the expressions we learned is that the white car isn't as slow as the red car. And that is something amazing. If you like going fast, well, the white car is the right one for you, okay? Very good, Evelyn. Claps for you. Great description and great use of comparison and comparatives too, okay? Evelyn, tell me a number from 1 to 12.
10.
10, let me see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, tell me, Larissa, are you ready?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, Larissa, tell me, which car do you prefer?
I prefer the black car because the red
Black
car,
or oh, white?
sorry,
Ah,
white.
nice.
The
Okay.
white car because the red car, it isn't new enough and it doesn't have enough space, but the white car isn't, sorry, it isn't more expensive enough.
Oh, great. So it's yeah, the let me see, the red card isn't expensive enough. Okay, or
No,
it's not actually. Oh,
the white car is more
oh,
expensive for the red car.
oh yeah, that's right. So sorry, the white card is actually it's too expensive. I don't know real price, but it's expensive. At least I know that. Very good, Larissa. That was a great description, and I really appreciate your the use of these expressions that you did. Okay, so you use comparison and evaluation expressions, and you did an amazing job. That's for you. Tell me, please,
Thank
Larissa, a
you.
number from 1 to 12.
Number 7.
7. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, Dimas, hello. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, excellent. Okay. Well, Dimas, tell me, which car do you prefer?
Well, in my personal opinion, I prefer a white car because is 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 not is more spacious than the red car, and moreover, the red car doesn't have spacious enough, and is small. The red car is small, and the white car is smaller. Just that.
Okay, thank you, Dimas, for your effort. That was a great, that was a great decision. So you chose you chose the white car. You mentioned that it doesn't have spacious enough. Remember, in this case, when we use doesn't have, we need to use a noun. Okay, so the correct sentence is, the red car doesn't have enough space. Can you repeat that sentence, please?
The red car, it doesn't have enough space.
Very good. Doesn't have enough space. Very good, Dimas. So remember, continue practicing that part, the use of adjectives and nouns, and the decision and the description was nice. Okay, Dimas, tell me the last number, okay? A number from 1 to 12.
Number 2.
Number 2, let me see, Dimas, 1 and 2. Okay, thank you. Janet, are you ready?
I prefer the car white because it isn't uncomfortable, you know. The car isn't as slow as for me. That's a picture.
And that's it. That's it. Okay, very good. That was a nice description. So, well, the white card isn't isn't uncomfortable, you mentioned. So, well, that's a good description. And also isn't as slow. The white card isn't as slow as the red car. So yes, you are
Okay.
right. That was a good description, Janet. Thank you for your practice and your effort, okay? I know,
Thank
guys,
you.
this topic is kind of difficult. I know, guys, it's difficult, but remember, practice makes perfect, okay? The more you practice, and the more it will be easy for you guys. To finish with this class, I will invite you to complete the final activities in Unit 1. We have activity 1.3.5, which is about people's wishes, and 1.3.6 about coronavirus, okay? Please, I don't know if it is still coronavirus or it's a different topic, but please complete the last activities of Unit 1. Tomorrow, guys, don't forget we have classes. I'm switching to Spanish, guys. Les hablo en español la indicación para que no nos vaya a quedar ahí duda. Recuerden que mañana, solamente por esta semana, tendremos clases día viernes. Así que les espero acá el día de mañana. I hope you have a good night, everybody, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher. See you tomorrow.
You're
Thank you,
welcome. Nice to
teacher.
be
Bye,
with you guys.
teacher. See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.